Hello, welcome to Acuboost, an IIG product. Acuboost are embedded software enhancements for the Acumatica ERP product. Today we're going to go over royalty processing. My name is Sasha Parento. First, we can start off in the royalty agreement screen. This is the screen where we set them up. This program allows users the ability to track and process royalties owed to a corresponding vendor for each item sold. I have created this agreement ahead of time. This one is set up for Sarah Smith signed hockey table. Sarah Smith is the vendor that's going to receive the royalty since she signed. This is set for fixed percent of price. What that means is 3% of the standard price will be the royalty that Sarah Smith will receive. The expiration date is 8/3/2020. It's important to note that in the screen there are other royalty methods possible. There's breakdown by price, breakdown by discount, fixed amount, fixed percent of gross profit, and trade discount. I've already set up a sales order ahead of time. I'm going to quick process it to invoice to show this example. While we wait for that, we're going to see the processing of the document. It should be done here very quickly. Okay, it's about done. All right, here we go. Now we've got the invoice, which has been created. There we go. This is the invoice that was created with the Harville hockey table. Sarah Smith has signed. Okay, so from there we go to the calculated royalty screen, which means that in this screen a calculated royalty has been created upon processing the sales order to invoice. We'll have one right here. Okay. It's important to note that in this screen you can edit the royalty amount to pay prior to paying it. This has an open status. The invoice total is $284.90, so the royalty amount to pay is $855. Everything looks good here, so I'm going to go to the royalty edit register screen. In this screen, I'm going to see the actual royalty that needs to be billed. We select it. If there were others in the screen, we would see them here. But since this was the only one created, we have this one, so we process it. This will then create the AP bill so that Sarah Smith can get paid her royalty. So we go to the bills and adjustment screen, and in the screen we've got the bill. You can check to make sure everything looks accurate, which it does. We've got the royalty charge, then we've got royalty bill, Sarah Smith signed. This automatically gets added upon creation of this bill. I'm going to release this. And at this time, I'm going to go back to the calculated royalty screen, and you will see that this is in This now has the corresponding bill. Once this bill gets paid, this calculated royalty will then become closed. We have this vendor royalty history report, which will show us the royalty that we just created. Thank you very much for watching the sales demonstration.